Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be sharing with you a quick Michaels haul and also a planner that I got at Joann's. So I wanted to share these things with you because I'm about to have a crafty day with my sister and we are going to start putting together our December daily foundation pages. I wanted to share these things with you before I started kind of getting into it and starting ripping the pages off. So the first thing that I want to share with you is this little planner. I've seen some people hauling this planner and you know, I didn't need it, but it's really super cute and I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself. So I had a really great coupon. Everything was 30% off, and then I used the Joann's additional 20% even on sale prices. So I was able to basically get it for, let's see how much it was. I have the receipt right here. Let's see. The Christmas planner ended up being $8.40. So I'm going to just do a quick flip through. So it's got a nice hardcover with this beautiful little image of this old truck fashion thing with some Christmas trees on it. So super cute. And I love the season of joy. Joy has been my word of the year. So I love that that's what it says. Little soft on the front. I'm not really sure about that, but that's all right. And then it's got some pages in here. I have no idea if I'm even going to use those. This page I'm actually planning to pull out and use it in a planner spread because on the back it just has this, and so I'm actually thinking I'm going to be using a couple of these different pages in different ways than just this planner. So here's the November layout. It has October in there too, but I'll rip those pages out because it's already past October. And then it has a bunch of weeklies, and it has December, and then a bunch of weeklies. And then I love that one, Happy Holidays, with the cute little reindeer image, the little checklist, and holiday budget, and then the spending tracker, and then my wish list, and then it has the gift list, online shopping, holiday card section, and like more checklists, which I love. It's merry and bright with a little cute little image of a bear there. And then this is information. So this is the party section. So party 1, party 2, party 3. And then party decorations, shopping list, table settings, party budget. And then it kind of just repeats itself. This one says let it snow. This one has a bunch of holiday recipe ones in here, which I don't think I will use these. I don't think I'll use this section, so I might get rid of that section. I'm not sure. And then this one says ho ho ho, and this one is the house and home. And I'm not really thrilled with this Santa Claus image. He kind of looks, I don't know. I don't really like that image, so I might do something with that. And I like this one. It actually has like holiday countdown, so it has like different things that you can do for every day of the month. I don't think I'll necessarily do I don't think I'll do all of these things, but like I'll just read a couple. Like the first one is craft a new ornament, decorate your home, have a Christmas tree ceremony, Christmas tree lighting ceremony. I mean, I guess. Take a holiday family photo, have a holiday dance party, give treats to someone new, build a, let's see, make s'mores by the campfire, send out holiday cards, bake holiday treats, go sledding or ice skating, drink eggnog with family, gift exchange with family. So just different little things. Spend the day with your family, volunteer at a homeless shelter, write a winter story. So really super cute. I definitely will use some of those things. And then there's just like an ideas and project lists, which I think is really cute. I liked this section. And there's quite a bit of that. And then at the back, there's a bunch of notebook pages. And then it just has the poinsettias on the bottom, and then the cute little plaid cover on the back. And it's a good size to put in your planner. There's the size right there. So it is a smaller one. And it is undated. It's Joy. So I also purchased this Happy Planner sticker book. It's Christmas and Joy. This one ended up being, so generally they're $20. And then on sale with all the sale and the coupon, I was able to get this for $11. So I'll do just a super quick flip through of this. The Nutcracker ones are cute. I loved this page with the little mason jars. Super cute. Christmas cookie exchange. I'm actually planning on doing a gingerbread making day at my house. So this little sticker will be really cute for that. I love that sticker with the little snow globe and the holly berries. This one, I don't know. The llama thing, I just don't get the llama thing. I'm sorry if you like llamas. More power to you, but I don't get it. The trees are really cute, though. But I could potentially use that in, like, maybe this planner, like for planning for one of the weeks. So we'll see. I loved this one. It has a bunch of cute, really cute little things. Look, it says decorate cookies. Attend a Christmas party, mistletoe, send a care package, make a homemade candy, letters to Santa, toy drive, attend a local Christmas parade, family game night. This one's super cute too. It's got all the little partridge in, like the 12 days of Christmas thing. And I loved this page right here with all of the words on there. I have the one from, I have the Seasons one from Tim Holtz, but I cannot find it. I don't know where I put it. I don't know if I put it with my Christmas stuff maybe. So I've got to find that. And then this one has the same words, but in color, different colors, which is really cute. And then some washi tape strips. I loved this page with the wreaths with the numbers on it and the candies with the numbers on it. And then this is really cute too. It's got like little countdown things. Super cute. And then the budget. And shopping. Wait, I think I skipped a page. Yeah. Really super cute. I like this one. And I like that it's paper, so it's not that glossy stuff. So it's easier to write on. They're really good, high quality stickers. And then it's got some letter stickers in the back, which, you know, you can always use some letter stickers. Yeah, so that is the sticker book. I also picked up a pack of these extender packs. This ended up being like $2, a little over $2 with the coupon and everything. And I need this for my actual December daily because I am planning on doing in my Happy Planner again like I did in 2017? 2016. I'll leave a link right here if you're interested in seeing any of that. I do have a full playlist of everything that I did. So I'm planning on doing that again. So I needed that. So I actually needed the paper packs because I was flipping through a lot of my paper. And since I made a lot of journals last year, I used a lot of my paper that was kind of that matched. So a lot of my paper that I have doesn't really have it's just like all the accent pieces. It's not a lot of the cute stuff that kind of like makes your pages. So I really did need new paper. So this one is North Pole News. And let me just flip through this. I'm going to put it sideways so I can flip through it. Christmas trees. I love this page. I feel like I need to figure out how I can frame that. It's so cute. I love it. So I'll just do a quick flip through of this. So that one was North Pole News. I also got Christmas Farmhouse. I loved that page right there. That's basically why I got this page, this whole book. I love that page too. All right, my most favorite one is this one, and it's the Classic Vintage Christmas, or Classic Vintage, that's what it says. And this one is so cute. And these are actually all cut aparts. They actually pop out. So I love that. Look at the reindeer one. Oh, it's so cute. And I love that Santa one. So those are the, and I'm basically going to use this as kind of like my main paper and really just use these as kind of accent pieces. I actually have a couple of planner pages that I want to make, like one of my planner spreads is going to be with this paper. So I've kind of got it worked out in my head. And then I also wanted to share with you what my new planner was going to be. It's nothing spectacular because for me, I like to decorate. If you don't know my planner, if you're coming over here because you saw this Michael's haul and you don't know how I plan, I basically kind of do like memory journal planning. Like it's really, I do just basically love decorating my planner. So it's really my scrapbook more or less. And so I like to get planners that are super plain on the inside so that I don't have to cover up a lot of stuff. So I thought this was really cute. It says be a free spirit, which whatever. I don't really know. I love this cover. I think that's really pretty with the blue. With that like teal color. And again, it's fairly plain. I love this right here where you can like put specific dates and stuff that you kind of already have planned. And that's for the whole year. It has that. This page is fairly plain, which I'm actually kind of glad about. Yeah, because I don't really feel, I don't know, I kind of like the plainness of the dashboard page. And then I didn't like the fact that it had color on the monthly page, but I am planning on trying to do the picture a day thing like I was doing before. And I was doing really well last year, but then I moved and I didn't plan for almost 2 months. So like basically it just kind of went out the window. So I'm going to try to do that again this year and be consistent and try to do it, but give myself some grace if I don't end up doing it, but I'm going to try. So I don't think it'll be too bad to have the color here because I can just cover it with the picture. So let me actually show you what I'm talking about. So this is my planner. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is what I did. You tell I have a few pictures I need to print. I think I stopped doing it in June. Yeah, I actually have the pictures for June. I just haven't printed them yet. So this is kind of like my May layout. And again, I have to print these 2 pictures. But yeah, so it basically fills up the entire page, or the entire box, I should say. And then the planner layouts are just really simple. I love that. I don't like that it doesn't have the date in the top here. So not sure what I have little stickers actually that I could potentially use here to put here. So I might have to do that. but I do like that it's completely plain, so I don't have to necessarily cover it up if I don't want to every time. And then the little lines are really small, and then it's just got these little tiny little polka dots on the edges, which I don't typically care about. Like, I don't feel like once you have everything on here, I don't feel like you really see this very much, so I'm okay. But I love that there's nothing on the bottom. There's no design on the bottoms. I mean, there's a couple like little quote things like that, so that's easy enough to cover up. So, but there's no like major designs on the bottom. So I'll just kind of flip through the different dashboards. And I do like to get a 12-month planner versus the 18-month planner. I just feel like I'm ready for a new one when by the time December rolls around, like I'm ready for a new one. And I do like that the dashboards kind of have a theme a little bit. Like this one has like kind of a, November has like a thankful, grateful theme. I like that. And then I really like December's, 'tis the season. So that is my 2020 planner, which I'm really excited about. So if you don't already follow me and subscribe to me and you want to see my planner layouts, go ahead and click the little subscribe button down below. And yeah, so that's really everything I wanted to share with you today regarding my Michaels / Joann's, because I did buy this at Joann's. And it was 60% off, so I got it for like 12 bucks. So I think that's a great deal. All right, so that was everything I wanted to share with you today. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.